Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're going to be doing a little outside work. We've got some rot on the bottom of this side light. This side light's right next to a vinyl slider door, but it's all trimmed in wood and it's rotting out. The glass is still good, so we're going to save this lady a couple $100 by retrimming it in vinyl. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. We're gonna remove this bottom piece here. You can see it's like all rotted, it's getting wet. And now that I've removed that, this piece of glass has slipped down about a 1/4 inch. So the plan is here, we're gonna pick that up and we're gonna put a treated 1x underneath to carry the weight of the glass. It is touching this concrete plate here, so we want it to be pressure treated. After we get it all sealed in, it should be watertight. Now, because this side trim is rotted here, we know we have to replace the bottom, but I don't want to scab this in and cut a little piece out. We're going to go ahead and replace the whole thing because we want it to look new. So we know this piece is coming off and this piece is coming off, so I'm going to cut the caulk from the door so we can get that out of there. Pry bar. So this piece is still good, and I want to keep this, even though we're doing the rest of it in vinyl, I want to keep this because it runs all the way across the top of her door. And again, I want that to be one piece so it's as neat as it can be. Once I get up here, I'm just going to wiggle it out because I don't want to disturb that top piece. All right, so we're just gonna get all this rot cleaned out of there. I'm trying to deter termites and stuff from coming up. So we're gonna put the treated wood back. I'm gonna clip the nails. So we're gonna pick up this window and stick the treated board underneath to hold it up. These stop strips are also rotted at the bottom, so we're going to remove those as well. We're going to clip any of the protruding nails. Because it's glass, I don't want to hammer them in. So I'm going to cut my two sides out of a PVC 1x3. Now that we're trimmed out in the vinyl 1x3, we've got to cap the side of this board right here. I've got this door stop. It's vinyl, and it looks like a miniature baseboard, and it's awesome. So we're gonna cap it. This is gonna go on like so. We're gonna seal it to the glass and seal it right there with silicone. We straight cut these 1x's, but this one, because it's on a different plane, is gonna have to be 45'd at an inside corner. Flat piece fits up against the glass like so. Trims out here, and then this inside corner will fit in to make it beautiful. Now we're going to caulk the new trim to the brick, to the glass, and to this plate with silicone. So that's it. We just rocked that side light window rot frame repair. You can see that we could just cover over the rod as long as you seal it. You can dig out what you need to and then just put a new face on it, and you did it all by yourself. I'm proud of you. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.